one wrong college choice and that can affect your next 4 years in your life. Stay till the end of this video so that you will be able to know before what you have to do, what you have to look before you make one of the biggest decisions of your life. So I will be giving you a right framework so that you can make an informed decision. And I won't be telling you what's the best college for BPO or any other course. I wanted you to ask yourself, what's the best college you want for your career goals, and is that going to make you what you wanted from that college or not? So let's begin. Firstly, most of the people asked me about every other college, like which is there for prosthetic and orthotic. First and foremost thing, I am not asking any candidate to make a choice just because I am sharing my knowledge about this particular course, that is prosthetic and orthotics. So bachelor in prosthetic and orthotics is one of its kind. So before I tell you the right framework, I just wanted you to know that what is that particular concept which you will be applying before doing anything. Like, it's one of the basic things which you need to know before choosing anything in your life. So it works for me. So the concept is all about, you have to search your interest. If you know what you are interested in and what attracts you, it can be any business, it can be any kind of vision which you have. You just have to find that. So you have to make sure that you have that interest in that particular field, or you are interested in like the product which is the outcome of that procedure. Then the second step would be, you have to find that how to know all about that particular thing. It can be your study, it can be any course. You have to get to know all about that study resources. If you need a degree, take a degree, educational resources, so that you will get to know more about that field which you are interested in, and you are having a good attraction towards that. So now you have done 2 steps. You have found your interest, you are attracted to that particular field. Now you started studying about that, you have completed your studies. The third part, or the third step which you have to follow, is you have to implement, you have to do the trial method, you have to start implementing what you have studied. So now you are one step closer to that interest or that specific thing which you are interested in. So now when you complete this 3 steps, the fourth step would be, maybe after implementing it will not work, you put other new strategies. You have to make things work when you started implementing it. And once those trials, and even once it became a success, you will be able to know that what's the formula is for you. So simple framework which works for multiple things. If you are interested in BPO, you have to find it out that why you are interested, what's your major thing, why you wanted to do this. You studied this whole course, then you wanted to implement it. You will do the research in market, that what all is going on, how you can fill the gap. You have to find the scientific researches, what all is there, what are the things which are going on in the market. Then you will start making it, like you are start trying your own things, what you are looking forward for in this field. You wanted to open a clinic, you wanted to do any kind of stuff. You will start doing it slowly and gradually. You will be able to figure it out, that what is actually working for you. So this is how you will be able to make it. It's a very impactful right method, or a concept which is realistic and which works even for me and for most of the people. Okay.